all we've done so far is writing an equation of a line from just a pattern from a table. Later, you will learn how to do this very quick and very fast. But all I can do for right now is go back to this idea of the table. So I'm going to take some points on my graph. All I'm going to do is 3. I can do more. The important thing when you do your table is we're looking for a pattern. You must go in order. So my first point here would be -2, 0. My next point in order would be 0, 1. And then my next point is going to be 2, -2. And this is actually -1. Alright, so I'm going to go back to this idea of y equals the rate times my variable plus the base. I'll tell you that the rate is the change in y over the change in x. Okay? So I'm going to jump down here and I'm going to draw an arrow. My change in y is what's happening every time? -1. And what's my change in x? It's +2. Sometimes it's easier for me to look from 0. So from 0 to 2 is +2. From 0 to -1 is -1. It's always easy to look from the 0 value or from positive numbers. So my rate is -1 over 2. Now I'm going to fill things in. I'm going to pick any point. I like to pick when my x value is 0 because when I multiply by 0, it just gives me 0. So what's my y value? My y value is -1. What's my x value? It's 0. And the base is always what I'm looking for. -1 equals anything times 0, that just cancels out. So what's my base? -1. So when I go back to plug things in my equation, y is equal to my rate, -1 over 2, x. I could say plus a -1. I'm just going to write 1. And there you go. You have it. If I'm talking fast, please feel free to jot things down, listen again, jot things down, or write it all down and then go back and just listen to make sure you got it all.